Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Life with Magatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about uLwandle Mseleku. So guys, abafana bamseleku nje bazitshela ukuthi you know what, thina sizolandela babethu sithathe isithembu. I think umnini ngingathatha isithembu because uke washo on one of the trending videos athi yena uzofana nobabakhe but yena akasifuni isithembu, singazi noma ukhulumisa ukuthi usesemncane naye makakhulu babakhe uzom-influencer into having many wives. So guys, uLwandle Mseleku, we know there's a time ake wapost intombi yakhe khona and then they trended guys. I remember on my other channel that video ibe banama views amaningi and I think a lot of people uLwandle come across to them as if umuntu ophansi, umuntu ohloniphayo, but mina after I saw uLwandle no mama yakhe, the time mama yakhe ambuza ngendaba yakhe yobizo, I saw ukuthi uLwandle is just that umuntu ophansi. That doesn't mean umuntu okhuluma amagama right. It's nje ubonakalile nje ukuthi naye unabo nje ubusibindi nyana, labantwana bathulile vele isidala sabo, but into abayikhipha la emlomeni, it's not healthy guys. But ke uLwandle Mseleku uposte yenye i-girlfriend yakhe, so and the girlfriend ayipostanga uLwandle, iposte the production le bebasebenza nayo on Izingane Zesithembu. So I guess on the season 3 of Izingane Zesithembu will meet a girlfriend kaLwandle, not that one guys. And then the girlfriend guys, not this one, not the new one, the girlfriend le uLwandle wayiposta last day or eyaziposta yona ithi Thole Umyeni, she was engaged guys. I don't know what really happened to engagement yakhe, but it seemed like, and there were also allegations like that saying ugirl uyaziposta and most of the time ugirl uyafosta ukuba relationship noLwandle. So I guess mhlambe bahlukene and this is the new lady uLwandle afuna uphusha nayo impilo. Mina all I'm saying nje uLwandle makaveza ugirlfriend ku TV simbone ukuthi uzoba yindoda enjani. Sesikhathele isithembu sakaMpumelelo esingasekho. So bazala bami zitho, please comment down below niyibona kanjani intombi kaLwandle entsha, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda.